Hey besties, so I'm currently in the light of my dad's brake lights. Basically we're just about to go out for a meal for my dad's birthday and we're just about to put the shopping in the car to give my grandparents when we see them. But yeah, I've just got this stuff. They're currently swapping over the cars and I'm just stood by the door waiting to put the shopping in the car, so... Flower pot. It's actually breaking like how a flower pot would. Oh, it's very soft. There we go. Okay guys, so now that I'm back home, I'm not actually going to vlog anymore until tomorrow when me and Dad are going out to town in the morning, and then at the night time we're going to a bonfire and fireworks display around my grandparents' neighbourhood, and I'm really excited for that. But yeah, I'm not going to vlog until tomorrow because this is like a little add-on to the actual main purpose of the video, which is going to be bonfire night vlog. But yeah. Hey besties, so it is currently Saturday the 5th of November and I've just got dressed. I'm in the exact same outfit because why not? I've also just found my perfect concealer match and I did bronzer and blush, which I don't usually do, and I've done my eyebrows and everything. So yeah, I'm ready to go. Here are my fake nails, I love them, and we're about to go into town. Dad needs to put some money in the bank and he also wants to go shopping and stuff like that, and we're gonna get McDonald's for breakfast. I'm gonna try and get like the least thing ever because I'm still kind of full from last night. So, because that meal was so full, I was like, oh my god, I'm so full. But yeah, I'm also taking my lip oil because it's my favourite thing to put on my lips now. I found the perfect skincare routine and now my skin is pretty much cleared up overnight, so I love it. But yes, now we're gonna go to town. I'm gonna probably get copyrighted for this music, but I got the new latte, caramel waffle latte. We are now at Home Bargains, well, big Home Bargains, and we're going to do a little bit of shopping. Which is mulled wine, and now I'm just stood outside with Dad. We're stood in front of the bonfire, which is back there. I'll film more, but most of the clips might be on my dad's phone because my phone's gonna die. Whoa! apologies. So it is now actually 9:30. I've not vlogged in quite a while because my phone died, so I let it charge up. I've just been watching YouTube. I haven't really done much, but I'm now about to go to sleep, so I thought I'm just going to end up this video here, because why not? But yes, so thank you for watching today's video. Please like if you liked it, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video, which I don't know when it'll be, but yeah. Bye!